on the railroad, all eyes out on the sea. All these means of travel, darling, mean nothing once your soul has been set free. So hear that lonesome whistle blow in the shadow of the sail. The winds are high and the tides are flow, that highball's roll down the rail. Little red bird in the corner, there's a blackbird at the door. And Lord, I know if he should ever cross over, the blood would hit the floor. So hear that long